Now that my new workshop is finally built, I need a staging wall in order to take really nice pictures of my pieces of furniture that I refinish. So what you're seeing me do here is I'm clearing everything out of the area where I'm going to be putting up the staging wall. So what you see us doing here now is I'm trying to figure out the height that I want my staging wall. And it is a little tricky because there is an outlet right in my way, but that's okay. I'm just gonna lift it up a little bit and it'll still be perfect. It's still the look that I'm going for, and I'm really happy with the height of it actually being a little bit higher. So what my husband wanted to use for the top of our staging wall is he got a painted PVC casing. It's a 5/8 by 3.5 inch. It is a little thicker. It's a little more grand. It gives more dimension. It's going to look nice, like as if it's on a real wall in a house. He used some white acrylic latex caulk with silicone to glue it to the wall, along with using a pin nailer to secure it in place. Next, what we're going to be doing is we are going to add in our battens, and he picked up a 1/4 inch by 1 3/4 inch finished PVC composite wall lattice molding. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's going to be perfect to give that dimension of what battens would look like on the wall. So we are just making sure it's nice and level, that the battens are standing up straight. The tool my husband's using to cut the battens, it's called a molding miter snips. It's a pretty cool tool. It's easy. It's by hand. You just snip your piece of wood to size. And it's a great thing to have in your workshop. What he's gonna be doing now is he's using caulk to caulk in the seams. So when I apply my paint, it goes on seamlessly with no gapping or separation. You can see I am starting to paint my staging wall. I am using Sherwin-Williams. It's their urethane trim paint line, and it goes on so nice. Right now I'm only doing my first coat, but I did apply 2 coats. Now it's time for flooring. I was able to find this 8x12 vinyl flooring at Home Depot for $49.99. I cut it to size to fit perfect in front of my staging wall. It is stunning. I am so happy. Look at the difference of having the staging wall with the flooring. It just showcases my pieces so beautiful. I am so happy that I did do the staging wall. The entire project with the board and batten, the top trim, and the flooring cost me about $118. And I did have the paint on hand. So I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial, and thank you again for always following and watching.